Dear students, in the last class we learnt about the conformers. Conformers means stereoisomerism in which the isomers can be converted by rotation. It means the rotation will be taking place, that will be called as a conformers or a rotamer. Here there are two types of molecules are there. In that, butane, this is the molecular formula and the structure of N-butane, and in that we write a Newman projection formula for 4 different rotation. Okay, this is the anti-rotation, this is eclipsed form, this is Gaucher rotation, and this is eclipsed form. Okay, each rotation have a 90 degree. Okay, in that overall 360 degree will be getting. Okay, next energy level diagram for this N-butane is there. This is the energy level diagram. Okay, here eclipsed form has the maximum energy, these have the minimum energy. Comparing this anti-form, Gaucher form has the highest energy because there will be interaction between the methyl and hydrogen and methyl and hydrogen group. Okay, this is all about the conformation of N-butane. Next is conformation of ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol, the molecular formula is CH2OH, CH2OH. Okay, this is the, in the place of CH3, OH group should be present. The energy profile diagram is also same for ethylene glycol. Okay, next one is aromatic hydrocarbons is present. Aromatic hydrocarbons means ring. It means the alternative double bond should be present in the ring, mainly benzene ring. The nomenclature of benzene is, a molecular formula is C6H6 and it has an alternative double bond. It means it has a 6 carbon atom and a 6 hydrogen atoms, and that there will be nomenclature of monosubstituted derivatives. First one is halogen derivative. It is call it as a halo. Okay, this is benzene ring. One fluorine is attached by removing one nitrogen atom, so it is fluorobenzene. Next it is chlorine is attached, so it is chlorobenzene. You can also write a bromine and iodine also. Okay, next second one is hydrocarbon derivative. It means alkyl group should be attached. Okay, this is monosubstituted. It means single substitution. Okay, this is the methyl benzene, this is propyl benzene. You have to count the number of carbon atoms. Okay, next third one is, in today's class we continue the monosubstituted and disubstituted derivatives of benzene. In monosubstituted benzene, hydroxyl derivatives. Okay, hydroxyl derivatives are there. Hydroxyl derivatives means OH group. OH group is substituted. So in that you have to see here, this is the benzene ring. Here OH group is substituted. This is called it as a phenol. This will call it as a, the name of the compound is phenol. Okay, next again, if two, here in the OH group, it is not attached only at the para position, it also attached at the ortho position and a meta position. This is the para, ortho, meta position. Okay, this is called meta hydroxybenzene. Okay, the another name is called also para hydroxybenzene. Commonly call it as a phenol. This is also called it as a phenol, but it is meta hydroxy. Benzene is also called. If in case 2 OH group is attached, so then we will call it as a, you have to give a numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In that the 2 OH group, here OH and OH is attached here. The second position and the third position. In the second position and in the third position the OH group is attached, so it has named as 2, 3. How many hydroxyl group is present? 2. So it has dihydroxy benzene. Okay, if in case 2 hydroxyl group is attached. This is all about the hydroxyl derivatives. Next is carbonyl derivatives. Carbonyl derivatives. Carbonyl derivatives means CO. Carbonyl compound means containing the functional group CO. Okay, it means aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, etc. Okay, here aldehyde means CHO. CO group is present. Here this is the benzene ring. The CHO group is attached here. Okay, this is called it as this is the aldehyde group, so we named as benzaldehyde. When aldehyde group is attached to benzene ring, okay, ENE is replaced by aldehyde. Okay, next again we can use a ketone group, C double bond O CH3. Okay, it means ketone means R, C double bond O, R dash. Okay, this is R, this is R dash, this is C double bond O. The common name is acetophenone. Acetophenone. Okay, like that. If in case carboxylic acid is attached, the functional group of carboxylic acid is COOH, C double bond O, OH. This is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Here also in removing ENE, you should add OIC acid. This is called it as a benzoic acid or benzene carboxylic acid also we can call it. Okay, this is all about the carbonyl derivatives. You have other examples also. It means acid ester formation and amide formation also. In that they have a carbonyl group. Okay, and fifth one is alkoxy derivative. Alkoxy derivatives. Alkoxy derivatives means ethyl derivatives. Alkoxy means ether. Ether means okay, R O R dash. The general formula of ether is RO R dash. R and R dash may be alkyl and a aryl group. Okay, whatever it may be. Alkyl groups means yesterday I was explained you. It means if the alkanes or alkenes groups containing same number of carbon atom but less number, one number hydrogen should be less. Okay, ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಕೇನು ಮತ್ತು ಆಲ್ಕಿನ್ಸ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆಲ್ಕೈನ್ಸು ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈಗ ಮೀಥೇನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್ ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮು ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಅರೈಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ benzene ring. Okay, here this is the benzene ring OCH3. Okay, this is ROR dash. This is the form of ester. This is common name is anisole. Okay, this will be also call it as a methoxybenzene. Methoxybenzene. Okay, anisole commonly we will call it, but it is also called it as a methoxybenzene, or again CH2CH3, it is ethoxybenzene. Ethoxy means, here you have to observe how many carbon atoms are present. 2 carbon atoms are present, so it is ethane. Here ether we will call it as a alkoxy. Alk means here ethane is there, OXY. Which one is present? Benzene, ethoxy benzene. This way we have to naming for alkoxy derivatives. It is ether derivatives, RO R dash. Okay, this is alkoxy. Alk means which alkyl group is present, you have to write, and OXY you have to write. If in case there will be benzene is present, you have to write benzene. If in case in the place of benzene you can write, if you have any CH3 group, you write methane, or a C2H5 group, you have to write a ethane. This is all about the alkoxy derivative. Next, last one is other derivatives. It means other substituent groups or a functional groups derivatives. Okay, in that first one is the nitro group. Nitro group means NO2. NO2 is substituted at benzene ring. This will call it as a nitrobenzene. Okay, nitrobenzene. Next, another one is if sulfonic group is added. Sulfonic group means SO3H. This will you have learned in your electrophilic substitution reaction in the previous year. This is the electrophile sulfonic group. In that, this is benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, this is the other derivatives. Okay, nitrobenzene and benzene sulfonic acid. This is all about the mono substituted derivatives. First one is halogen groups. Next, hydrocarbon derivatives, hydroxyl derivatives. Next, carboxyl derivatives. Next, alkoxy, and the last one is other derivatives. These are all about the mono substituted, and in that polyaromatics are there. Polyaromatics, you know that what is aromatic? Aromatic means containing a ring. It means mainly benzene ring. It has a alternative double bonds. That is called it as a aromatic ring. Polyaromatic means more than one benzene ring is attached. Okay, for example, this is the one benzene ring. Okay, next, this is the other benzene ring. This is all about the aromatic, polyaromatic. Polyaromatic ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ರಿಂಗ್ಗಳು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಪಾಲಿಯಾರೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಓಕೆ. This will be the more than 2 should be is there, and in that also you have to observe here delocalization of electron will be taking place. Delocalization of electron will be taking place. Delocalization means this pi electron, it means alternative double bond means they have a pi bond. In the presence of pi bond, that electron is called it as a pi electron. This electron should be delocalized, andre sutbeku. It should be surround the benzene ring. The electron should be surrounded the benzene ring and it is delocalized. This is all about the polyaromatics. Okay, next one is nomenclature of nomenclature of disubstituted. Disubstituted means last we learnt about monosubstituted. Only one substituent group is attached. If benzene ring is disubstituted means then the second functional group is attached. Okay, if in case here when the monosubstituted means we directly name the molecule, but in the disubstituted we have to use the positions. In the last derivatives I was explained you, this will be the para position and this will be the ortho position, this is the meta position, and this is the para position, and this is meta, and this is ortho position. Okay, when the substituent group is substituted in this position, we have to use the ortho, meta or para position by naming the molecule. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಗೈನ್ 1 2 3 4 5 6 1,4 ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ನು, 2,6 ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ಥೋ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, 3,5 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಟಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, in that you have to observe here in the above compound 1,4 is para, 2,6 is ortho, and 3,5 is meta position. Okay, meta position. And in that when we have to give a ortho meta position, this will be ordinary benzene ring. If in case the substituent group is attached, here the A will be here with respect to A, that is para, this is ortho and this is meta. If in case this will be the substituent group is attached here, then you have to write a with respect to. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಥೋ ಮೆಟಾ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಅಂತದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಎ ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ. ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆರ್ಥೋ ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ಥೋ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್. Here Cl, okay, in that with respect to A you have to write at this position only. Okay, in the above position we have to use a 2 and 6 with respect to this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಇಯರ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು ಆರ್ಥೋ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಮೆಟಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಇಯರ್ ಈಗ ಈ ಸಿ ಎಲ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯಾವ ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಆರ್ಥೋ ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ಥೋ. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್? 2 ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೈಕ್ಲೋರೋ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? with respect to this you have to know about that. we have to give only one position. okay, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಆರ್ಥೋ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ಥೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಬೋತ್ ದ positions, but here there will be same substituent groups is present. So that's why you have to use another ortho and meta. This will be when the substituent group is attached at this position, you have to don't use the para position, but the substituent group is attached in this subposition, you have to use para position. I will give the example. And then, or another naming is also there. You have to give a numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On which numbers chlorine is attached? 1 and 2. Okay, so you have to write 1, 2. How many chlorine atoms are there? 2 chlorine, so 2 chlorobenzene. Okay, this is. And also I am giving another example, you have to know about that. This is Br, you don't use this position, and this is Br. Okay, here this will be the meta position, so meta dibromobenzene. So then you have to write in the meta position. If in case it is in para position, you have to write a para position. But I am telling with respect to this position, I am talking about with respect to this position. Okay, without any substituent group you have to give a para all other things. But when we have the substituent group, ಪದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. when we have the substituent group, based on this you have to, here A will be the substituent group. With respect to A, this is the ortho position, this is the meta position, and this is the para position only. Okay, only one para position is present, so it is meta dibromobenzene or 1,4 dibromobenzene. Okay, this is all about the nomenclature. It means positions, ortho and meta positions, and in that you have to write with respect to A there will be only 4 is the para position. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ para position ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ para dibromobenzene and then 1,3 here 1,4 dibromobenzene. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ನಾನು ಪದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎ position to this carbon atom because same substituent group is attached. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ಡ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ ನೀವು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಕ್ಲೋರೋ ಆರ್ಥೋಬ್ರೋಮೋ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೋದು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ 1, 2. This will be the I. Okay, with respect to I, here I should be iodine atom should be attached here, so it is with respect to this functional group you have to give a this position. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು with respect to this ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಈಗ ಆರ್ಥೋ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮೇಯ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಗೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, but here I am telling with respect to this position you have to give a naming of this position. Okay, and this is para diiodobenzene. Okay, next numbering kotre 1,4 diiodobenzene. Okay, this is all about the same substituted groups. Okay, next class we will learn about the naming of polyfunctional groups or a poly substituent groups should be present. Poly means ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮತ್ತೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ substituted benzene. Okay, and it is disubstituted, and also polyaromatics.